Hi, how you doing? Thank you so much for being here. I'm Instructor Dwayne Jenkins. In today's video lesson, we are going to be working on the guitar build that I talked to you about during Christmas. I got this really cool LEGO Fender guitar thing. I didn't even know they made one. My student got it for me, and so we're going to do a series of building it to see how this all goes. I build actual guitars, just haven't built a LEGO guitar. I don't think I've built LEGO things since I was like a kid or something. So, and they definitely didn't have something like this when I was that age. So this ought to be a lot of fun, and I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. All right, so let's check it out.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, so I also wanted to mention a couple more things that I got for Christmas. I got this really cool Journeys t-shirt. Got that from Carson. Thank you so much. And I got, check this out. Is this awesome or what? Look at this. It's a barbecue set. I got this from James and David. Thank you guys so much. Look at that. It has a guitar. And if you look closely, you can zoom in. It's got the fretboard on there. Isn't that neat? I mean, that's awesome. Made of stainless steel. I mean, that's going to last me a lifetime. And it's got some tongs with it. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That is really neat. Thank you guys so much. And once again, you have the fretboard on there, kind of, isn't that neat? Thank you guys so much for that. And I also got this. I forgot to mention this as well. Another cool guitar. That's the Jimi Hendrix Monterey thing. That's awesome. So, and here's the guitar we're going to build right here. It's a 70s Fender with a 65 reverb amp. Classic. Gonna check this out and see what we can do with this. Alright, so here we have it. Everything's taken out of the box. Looks like we got, they're all numbered. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like this could be in black or red. It comes with a booklet. 6, 5, 7, 8, 9. And it looks like 7 and 8 are just the same. Just deciding if you want to put it in black or red. So I think I'm going to do it in red. So I got a few black guitars, so I only have one red one. So this will be cool. Number 11, number 12. And then this looks like this is the guitar strings. Imagine that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Comes with guitar strings. They're actual like nylon strings. You can see that. Pretty neat, huh? And the Fender booklet. So we can get after this. I don't know how long it's going to take. This looks pretty extensive. But he told me just take it one step at a time. Open up bag 1 and then we'll just do it like that. See how this goes. So, alright. Let's check this out. I'm excited. Alright, look at this. Starts off with the booklet here. It's got a booklet about, tells you a little bit about Fender. Very cool. Shows you a picture of the actual LEGO guitar. Awesome. Tells you about a little bit about the fan designer. Awesome. Some guitar players. And then goes into the instructions. Look at that. Oh man, that's so cool. I'm excited. Let's get after this bad boy. Okay, let's see. So, looks like we're building the first section is going to be the guitar stand. That's going to be section 1. Let's see what we can do with that. Alright, so we're starting off with the stand. I just built part of it here. I just want to show you a little bit of how this other one side's built. So we start with this big piece here. We put these little slots here, these little connectors here. We put them there. Looks like we need one on the top and then 3 on the bottom here. One there, and one here. So we got it like that. And then we put this piece on there. Connect that piece. And then we connect this smaller piece to here. So we got that. And then we take this gray piece here. Let's see, we put it to the end here. Kind of lets you know it's got a little slot there for that, I believe. So I want to put that into the back here like this. See how that goes through there, and it has a little back piece here so it won't go through. So that's the way it needs to be done. And then it looks like we put some of these on here, these things here. Oops. I think that's how I did it before. Things here. Alright, so we put that there. And then we got these. Oh, I think that these things here we want to put on there. Yeah, these things here. 2, 3 of them. And then we put two of the rubber ends on there. Where are those at? Oh yeah, these two here. These two things here. These, put those on there. And that becomes the little, where the guitar is going to sit. So we have something to put our guitar when we build it. We have a stand for it, so it makes sense to build the stand first. And then we got that. And then we put this little piece on the end here. There we go. See how I've got the leg of the stand there? You can see that. So our piece to put the guitar on. Cool. And then we have, got that going on there like that. That's good. And then let's see what else we got. Okay, we have this to go through. Got to put this together. So we take this, put this bottom piece on it like this. Something like that anyway. That's even the right part. Oh, there we go. That's it. Gotta make sure you have the right pieces. So we gotta put that like that. That's 3 pieces. That's gonna be the bottom. And we're going to put this through here. Put this red thing through here. And put that to the bottom here. And that's going to give us that there. And then we got to put on these here. So it matches the other one. So we start with this here. Once again, we got to put on this part here. So that part, I think it's this part here, this part we need. And they make these so awesome that you just can't really go wrong with them when you think about it. You just really can't. You know, they make these all interchanging, and they go together a certain way. So you just have to kind of put them like that. Oh, this is awesome, man. This is so cool. I haven't built Legos like this in forever. Nothing like this either. I think they just had the Legos bricks when I was younger. And then we put the cap on. And now we got 2 parts of the stand. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, we're coming to the top of the stand, this part right here. And according to the instructions, we need a few parts. We're going to take this, I'm going to put this piece underneath it here in the center. Got that. I just love these Legos because they just go together. You know, you can't almost go wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? Because the pieces just won't go together. They'll only go together a certain way. That's it, you know. So you have to, so if it doesn't go together one way, it'll go together another. Alright, so then we got to put these pieces on the bottom here. Got to try to figure this out. Okay, and that one's there. And let's see, this one. Oh, that's not it. It's got to be maybe this one. It's this one. So these pieces, they look similar. So now we got that. Excellent. And we got to put this piece on the top in the center. Got that. Look at that. And let's see. Then we got that there. And then we put these 2 pieces on the top. Let's see here. There we go. This one over here on this side. Perfect. And then I put these 2 caps on the front here. Look at that. It's Legos. What a genius thing these guys got here going on. Alright, there we go there. And then it looks like we have something here we got to put through here. Should I go through there? Maybe it's one of these. Let's see. Well, so far we got that. We got to put another one of these in the center. And then we got to put this in the center right here like this. Okay, and then the way that works is you put this like this on the side. That'll allow that to swivel. Put this one on the side. And see, now it kind of opens up like a guitar stand. We got a few more things we got to put to it, but I'm getting there. It's making this happen. Alright, so there we have it, the stand here. Got that all built. Wasn't too difficult. It looks like I had some extra parts here. I'm not sure if these are for just in case you lose some parts. It's very possible. And then this, I'm not really sure what this goes for. Oops. But I'm sure I'll figure it out when it's all said and done. So we got that. So the next part is going to look to me like it's going to be the guitar neck and part of the pickup. So okay, so there we have it. I got this stand built. And I think what I'm going to do with this video is just kind of make it a series of them, you know, make this the stand today, and then, you know, next time I'll build the next part and the next part and the next part. So it'll take a few videos. It won't be one of those videos where they speed everything up and stuff. They got enough of those videos on there. So I want to do something a little different for you, okay? Give you a little time, kind of show you how I build it and stuff like that. So... and once again, if you need help with your guitar lessons, be sure to let me know. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for future notifications. If you have any comments, maybe you've built one of these yourself. You've got some, you know, pointers for me. I'd appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below, because this is the first time I ever built something like this. This one's got the stand and the amp, and it looks like it's pretty detailed, so this can be a lot of fun. So watch for that. Be sure to watch for when I load up these videos. And like I said, if you need any help with your guitar lesson, be sure to let me know. I teach in person and online. And check out my books. I got a lot of books out there on how to play guitar, electric guitar, acoustic guitar, bass guitar, theory, you name it. I probably read a book on it, okay? And I'm all over the internet, so if you want to contact me, you can contact my website or on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm all over there. You can find me, okay? So thanks so much for being here. Be sure to subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you at our next lesson. Take care.